Hello, great to have you with me for Mini Ponds update number 7. With June came early summer, and that meant the first juveniles were starting to show themselves around the garden. This included 2 juvenile great-spotted woodpeckers, or Bunchbester, checking out both ponds. You can tell they're juveniles because they still have a beautiful bright red crown which turns black when they become adults. Great-spotted woodpeckers are Europe's most common woodpecker species, and in northern Germany the largest of the several species that all look rather similar with their black, white and red colouring. They're fairly easy to find in parks and gardens, and are common visitors to feeding stations. One will often hear their tapping in the trees above before seeing them. It pleased me immensely to see them using the sticks I'd installed for perching and pecking. What was very cute here was a great tit joining one of them at Pond 1 on the 28th of June and then again on the 15th of July. So here we have a little tit and a cheeky pecker. Grow up, Sebastian. And at the end of June, one was exploring Pond 2. I'm pretty sure that's its tapping on the camera post. Next to Pond 2, we have some sparrows hanging out. A mother house sparrow here, presumably. Then curiously in the back there, that's actually a single tree sparrow. Then there was a lot of footage of 2 young fluffy house sparrows messing around together. Sometimes rather wet and bedraggled looking in the summer rain. That's it for now. Please leave any comments or questions, and don't forget to like and follow if you enjoyed the content. Bye now.